Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do the wet look on my natural hair. So if you want to see how I do the wet look on my hair, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So definitely stay tuned and watch those videos at the end of this video. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get right into this video. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and start and attempt the wet look on my natural hair. So I'm going to go ahead and take down this hairstyle first. I've had this hairstyle for a while. I just never took down the twists because, you know, it was just good for my hair to just kind of just be. So let me take these out real quick and then we'll start. Okay, so this is basically what my hair looks like, and this is what I'm starting with. I know my hair looks really crazy, but it's all good. It's all good. So I'm gonna go ahead and first start by showing you guys what you guys need. Basically, for this, you're gonna need some gel, any gel you want to use. I'm going to be using the Gorilla, not the Gorilla spray. Okay, we're not using no glue in here, okay? But this is the Gorilla Snot gel. I always use this one, and this one is the punk in the yellow one. It has a stronger hold. I've also used the one in the green one. I forgot the name, but it's basically another Gorilla glue. Not glue. See, now I'm starting to say it. Gorilla gel. Then you'll need a spray bottle for sure. Some mousse, because it always comes in handy. A hard soft bristle brush. This is really important because that's what's gonna help keep your hair down. A tangle teaser, also going to be important in order to basically define your curls. Some clips. So we're gonna start off. I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair off. So I'm going to start with the back section just because, yeah, it works better like that. And I'm going to make small sections. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see basically, but yeah, I'm gonna start off by putting everything else in a rubber band. My roots are so thick, guys. There's so much new growth. Okay, so this is the section that I left out. It's not perfect, but it's okay. You don't need it to be perfect. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go ahead with, so I wore my robe because there's gonna be water everywhere, but I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle and just spray. I'm going to section out that section into 2 more sections, just so, you know, it's easier. And I'm gonna start off by spraying that first section with water. And just break that through. And basically this is going to help basically activate your curls, you know, because obviously our natural hair, when we put it in water, that's when the curls kind of pop. Okay, so this is what the curls look like. They look really nice so far. And my hair is reverting back pretty nicely. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Tangle Teaser and just start running it through just so that my hair is like detangled and defined. Okay, the curls. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some gel, just with a little bit. Then put that all over my hair. I think it's good to like focus the gel a lot at the top actually. Now that I remember. Like after you rake it through. Guys, I feel like my hair has grown so much. It's crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna take my hard soft bristle brush and just flatten that out. And that's going to help keep it down. And then you can take the Tangle Teaser and just kind of tease the bottom. Yeah, and this is what it looks like. So I'm basically going to do that all over my hair. And I think something you can do too is like, it's going to shrink up, like obviously, but the goal is to try and make it not shrink up as much. So, oh, I almost forgot. In order for it to not shrink up as much as well, I'm gonna put a bit of okay, so I'm gonna go and do the other side and follow basically the same exact steps. So one thing you can do, you can always put clips to help kind of like clip down the section and keep it from shrinking as much, but I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and move up, take another small section. It's really important to work in small sections, guys, because that's what's gonna help you like get that defined look that lasts. Okay, so I'm going to do this section, do the exact same thing. And my hair is a little dry, so this is like perfect. So I'm gonna go in the tangle, starting with the roots. So I'm gonna put a clip just so I can like distinguish like the sections because they were getting a little tangled. Okay, so my camera cut off, but basically I'm gonna keep going. I'm basically at the top now. Okay, so now I'm at the front. I'm going to section off my hair to the side because I want a side part. So I'm just going to do a nice little side part. And you literally only have to do that once you get to the front to make things easier. Okay, so I'm happy with it. I'm going to section this off. Okay, I'm gonna work on this first. Take a little section. Okay, so I am done. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of do like my edges right here before, but I'm going to, because as you guys can see, it's kind of coming back up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna like lay it down with my scarf, because I feel like the mousse kind of made my hair revert really quickly. But yeah, this brush is like really important. If you don't have this brush, then your hair is definitely going to like revert back. But at least my hair is like still defined. It's just it's starting to like come up, and I don't want that. I want it to like stay down. So I'm gonna use this scarf, put it all over my head. Or this scarf is really small, but we're gonna try. And hopefully it like helps lay everything. So yeah, this is my first time trying it, guys, on my natural hair. I've done it before on like a wig, and it came out really nice. But obviously your natural hair is going to be different. It's going to act different. So yeah, I'm about to tie this right here. And then I'm gonna put another one because I'm that extra and I really want like some parts to just go down. So I'm gonna put this on the back mostly. Okay, and I'm gonna leave it in this for like about, I would say like about 10 minutes, and I'll be back to show you guys basically the final look and how I styled it, depending on how it ends up looking. Okay, so I couldn't wait any longer because I'm just impatient, but I'm gonna go ahead, and I feel like the front part isn't that tight. I think I've had it on at least for a good 5 minutes. So I'm gonna remove the back first. And then I'll remove this. And we'll see what we have to work with. Okay, so it definitely helps sleek it down a little bit. That's why I said that's like definitely crucial. But I don't know if I like it like this. I think I'm gonna try and add this little hair clip I have. It's from KTL Boutique. It came with my order when I ordered from them. And they are Black owned. Just letting you guys know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and like, because I don't like that this goes high, you know? So I'm gonna try and pin this like this and see how that looks. I think I'm gonna put another bobby pin right there. Yeah, so it can stay down like that. That's like way better. You don't really see the clip that much, but it's okay. At least it acts as like kind of like a, I don't know, like a bobby pin, I guess. So yeah, this is my wet look. It was kind of a bit of a fail, but you know, I still made it work. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. So guys, this was my attempt at a wet look on my natural hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me somewhat trying something new with my natural hair. Definitely let me know if you want to see any other hair tutorial or hair video on this channel. And of course, if you haven't done so yet, definitely subscribe down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She be mine on love. She be on love. She be